Good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's presentation. I'm excited to introduce you to an innovative journey with ADollarClass Inc. Today, we'll explore how the AI revolution through iBARE is transforming work-life balance. Over the next few minutes, we'll cover the key ideas behind this exciting development and how it can impact your professional and personal lives. Let's get started. Now, let's take a closer look at the first section, Understanding AI Fundamentals. This is where we lay the groundwork by exploring what artificial intelligence really is, including its core concepts and how it functions. Grasping these basics is essential because it sets the stage for everything else we'll discuss, from practical applications to future trends. Next, we'll move into an introduction to iBARE. Here, we'll learn about this innovative platform, its purpose, and how it's designed to help us harness AI more effectively in our work and daily lives. After that, we'll explore AI in the modern workplace. This section highlights how AI is transforming industries, automating tasks, and creating new opportunities for efficiency and innovation. Following that, we'll review essential AI skills. These are the key competencies professionals need to develop to stay relevant and competitive in an AI-driven environment. Then, we'll consider AI implementation strategies. This part focuses on how organizations can successfully adopt and integrate AI solutions, overcoming common challenges along the way. Next, we'll look at the future of human-AI collaboration. Here, we'll discuss emerging trends and how humans and AI can work together more seamlessly to achieve greater outcomes. Finally, we'll examine practical iBARE applications. This is where we see real-world examples of how the platform is being used across various industries to drive tangible results. Throughout this presentation, remember that these points are interconnected, each building on the previous one, helping us understand the full picture of AI's evolving role in our world. Understanding AI fundamentals is a crucial step in grasping how artificial intelligence really works. Here, we'll explore the key points that form the foundation of AI. First, it's important to recognize what AI actually is, essentially, the simulation of human intelligence in machines. This includes abilities like learning, reasoning, and problem-solving. We'll also look at the main types of AI, such as narrow AI, which is designed for specific tasks, and general AI, which aims to mimic human cognitive abilities more broadly. Another important concept is machine learning, which is a subset of AI that enables systems to learn from data and improve over time without being explicitly programmed for every task. Deep learning, a further subset, uses neural networks inspired by the human brain to handle complex patterns and large amounts of data. Connecting these points to our overall theme, understanding these fundamentals helps us see how AI can be applied across industries, transforming the way we work and solve problems. So, grasping these core ideas is essential as we move forward into more advanced topics. Let's explore the definition and capabilities of AI. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to computer systems that can mimic human intelligence. This means they can learn, reason, and even self-correct to handle complex tasks on their own. It's not just about performing simple functions. AI can handle sophisticated challenges independently. Now, at the core of AI are several key technologies. Machine learning allows systems to improve over time by analyzing data. Natural language processing helps machines understand and generate human language. Computer vision enables machines to interpret visual information, and robotics combines these technologies to create intelligent machines that can perceive, understand, and interact with their environment effectively. When we look at what iBARE offers, it leverages these advanced AI capabilities to deliver personalized assistance tailored to individual needs. It also excels at problem-solving and supports adaptive learning, which means it can adjust to different situations and user inputs. Importantly, all of this is done while maintaining natural, human-like interactions, making the experience seamless and intuitive. These capabilities are fundamental to how AI is transforming our work and daily lives. and they align perfectly with our overall theme of innovation and intelligent solutions. Let's take a closer look at the historical development of AI. It all begins in the 1950s, when pioneers like Alan Turing laid the groundwork with their groundbreaking computing theories. That era also saw the Dartmouth Conference, which essentially marked the official birth of artificial intelligence as a field. Moving forward, we see how machine learning has evolved significantly, from early rule-based systems to more complex neural networks. This evolution has allowed AI to recognize patterns more accurately and handle increasingly sophisticated tasks. Then, in the 2010s, we experienced a real breakthrough with deep learning. This revolution was driven by massive computational power and the explosion of available data, enabling applications like iBARE and many others to emerge. Throughout this timeline, what stands out is how each stage built on the previous one, pushing AI capabilities forward and shaping the modern landscape we're exploring today. Let's take a look at some of the current applications of AI across different industries. In healthcare, AI is transforming patient care by analyzing medical images, predicting disease outcomes, and even assisting in drug discovery. These advancements are helping doctors make more accurate diagnoses and develop better treatment plans. Moving on to finance, AI is heavily used for detecting fraud, executing algorithmic trades, assessing risks, and creating personalized banking experiences that better meet individual customer needs. In education, AI enables personalized learning paths, automates grading, tracks student engagement, and even handles administrative tasks, making education more efficient and tailored to each learner. Lastly, in manufacturing, AI powers smart factories through predictive maintenance, quality control, supply chain optimization, and autonomous production lines. Overall, these applications highlight how AI is not just a futuristic concept, but a practical tool that is actively reshaping industries and improving efficiency across the board. Welcome to Slide 7, where we start with an introduction to iBARE. iBARE stands for Intelligent Business Automation and Robotics Ecosystem. This is a comprehensive framework designed to streamline and enhance business processes through advanced automation and robotics. The key idea here is to leverage intelligent technologies to improve efficiency, accuracy, and overall operational agility. As we move through this presentation, you'll see how iBARE connects to the broader theme of digital transformation and innovation in the workplace. Think of it as the backbone that enables smarter, faster, and more flexible business operations. So, understanding what iBARE is and how it functions is essential as we explore its impact and potential. Let's take a closer look at the interactive humanoid assistant, iBARE. One of its key strengths is its personalized interaction capabilities. It can tailor responses based on what it learns about each user, becoming more relevant and helpful the more you interact with it. This makes the experience feel more natural and engaging. Next, we have its natural language understanding. Thanks to advanced algorithms, iBARE can grasp complex questions, understand context, and pick up on conversational nuances. This allows it to communicate in a way that feels very human-like, making interactions smoother and more intuitive. Finally, iBARE is equipped with visual recognition features. It uses cameras to process visual information, which means it can identify objects, recognize faces, and understand its physical environment. This capability enables it to respond appropriately to the surroundings, enhancing its usefulness in a variety of settings. Overall, these features highlight how iBARE is designed to provide a highly personalized, context-aware, and visually perceptive assistant, aligning perfectly with our goal of creating smarter, more responsive human-robot interactions. Let's talk about personalized solution delivery, which is a core part of what makes iBARE so effective. First, we have tailored solutions through AI. What this means is that iBARE analyzes your individual needs and preferences to deliver responses that are customized just for you. Instead of giving generic information, it focuses on what's most relevant and applicable to your specific situation. This ensures that the support you get is meaningful and practical. Next, there's the adaptive learning capability. iBARE doesn't just stop at one-time customization. It continuously learns from each interaction, which allows it to better understand your unique requirements over time. So, the more you engage with it, the more personalized and precise its assistance becomes. It's like having a partner who gets to know you better with each conversation. And finally, there are context-aware responses. iBARE takes into account your history, your preferences, and even your current situation when generating solutions. This means that the recommendations are not just accurate, but also appropriate for your specific circumstances. It's about making sure that every suggestion fits your context, making the entire experience more relevant and helpful. All of these elements, tailored solutions, adaptive learning, and context awareness, come together to create a truly personalized experience that aligns with our overall goal, providing smarter, more effective support tailored just for you. Let's take a closer look at the integration capabilities of iBARE. First, one of its key strengths is seamless third-party platform connectivity. This means iBARE can easily connect with a variety of software platforms and services, allowing for smooth data exchange and streamlined workflow automation across different systems. Next, we have API and SDK support. For developers, this is a huge advantage because it provides comprehensive APIs and software development kits. These tools make it straightforward to embed iBARE's functionalities into existing applications, enhancing their capabilities without starting from scratch. Finally, iBARE offers customizable integration solutions. Whether you need simple plugins or more complex enterprise-level integrations, iBARE can be tailored to meet your specific business needs. This flexibility ensures that the platform can adapt to various operational requirements and scale as your organization grows. Overall, these integration features are designed to make iBARE a versatile and powerful tool that fits seamlessly into your existing technology ecosystem, helping you maximize efficiency and innovation. Let's take a closer look at AI in the modern workplace. As you can see, AI is transforming the way we work, making processes more efficient and enabling us to focus on higher-value tasks. It's not just about automation. AI helps us analyze vast amounts of data quickly, providing insights that were previously impossible to uncover. This means better decision-making and more personalized experiences for both employees and customers. As we continue to integrate AI into our daily operations, it's important to remember that it's a tool to augment human capabilities, not replace them. This shift is a key part of the overall theme of digital transformation, showing how technology is reshaping our work environments for the better. Let's talk about how we're transforming traditional workflows to be more efficient and effective. First, with AI-powered task automation, iBARE helps us handle repetitive tasks more intelligently. This means that our team members are freed up from routine work and can focus on more creative and strategic responsibilities that really add value. Next, enhanced decision-making is a key benefit. AI analyzes complex data patterns that would be difficult to interpret manually, providing us with insights that help us make smarter, more informed decisions across all departments and levels of the organization. Finally, personalized customer experiences are becoming more achievable. With iBARE, interactions are tailored based on each customer's preferences and history, leading to more meaningful and efficient engagement. Overall, these improvements tie back to our goal of making workflows smarter, more responsive, and ultimately, more aligned with our strategic vision. Let's explore how iBARE can truly enhance your productivity. First, we have AI-powered task automation. What this means is that iBARE helps streamline your workflows by taking over routine tasks. This allows you to concentrate on more creative and strategic work that really benefits from human insight. It's about freeing up your time so you can focus on what truly matters. Next, we have personalized work solutions. iBARE analyzes your individual work patterns to offer customized recommendations. This personalization helps you optimize your efficiency across different tasks, making your workday smarter, not harder. And finally, real-time decision support. With iBARE, you get instant access to data analysis and tailored recommendations. This means you can make faster, more informed decisions even in complex situations, keeping your workflow smooth and agile. Together, these features reinforce our overall theme of empowering you to work smarter, more efficiently, and with greater confidence. Let's take a closer look at the competitive advantages of iBARE. First, enhanced productivity and efficiency are at the core. By automating routine tasks, iBARE frees up human resources, allowing teams to focus on more creative and strategic work. This shift not only boosts overall productivity, but also streamlines workflows, making operations more seamless. Next, we have the personalized user experience. AI isn't one size fits all. It adapts to each individual's preferences and behaviors. This means solutions are tailored specifically to the user, which significantly improves satisfaction and engagement across different platforms. Finally, data-driven decision-making is a game changer. iBARE can analyze vast amounts of data rapidly, providing actionable insights. These insights help businesses make smarter, more informed decisions, giving them a strategic edge in a competitive landscape. Together, these advantages align perfectly with our overall goal, leveraging AI to transform how we work, engage, and succeed. Let's take a closer look at some essential AI skills. These are the foundational abilities you'll want to develop to thrive in the AI-driven world. First, understanding data is crucial, knowing how to collect, interpret, and analyze data effectively. This forms the backbone of most AI applications. Next, programming skills, especially in languages like Python, are vital for building and customizing AI models. But it's not just about coding. It's also about understanding algorithms and how they work. Another key skill is critical thinking, being able to evaluate AI outputs, identify biases, and ensure ethical use of AI technologies. Lastly, continuous learning is essential because AI is a rapidly evolving field. Staying updated with new techniques and tools will help you remain relevant and innovative. These skills tie into the overall theme of this presentation, which is about preparing ourselves for the future of work and technology. Mastering these AI skills will empower us to leverage AI effectively and responsibly in our respective fields. Let's talk about prompt engineering. So, what exactly is prompt engineering? It's really the art of crafting effective instructions for AI systems to generate the outputs we want. It combines technical knowledge with a bit of creative communication, making sure our prompts guide AI clearly and efficiently. Now, this skill is incredibly valuable across various business applications. For instance, prompt engineering can drive real value in industries by creating customized AI solutions, automating workflows, and generating specialized content. It's about tailoring AI responses to meet specific needs, which can save time and enhance productivity. To achieve that, there are some key strategies we should keep in mind. Using specificity in our prompts helps get more precise results. Setting the right context ensures the AI understands the background and nuances. And formatting prompts correctly can improve response quality, helping us overcome some limitations in AI understanding. Finally, effective prompt techniques are essential. They involve knowing how to phrase instructions clearly, use proper structure, and experiment to see what works best. When we master these techniques, we can harness AI more effectively, making it a powerful tool to support our overall goals. Let's talk about AI-assisted development and how it's transforming the way we build software. First up, AI-powered coding assistants like GitHub Copilot and Tabnine. These tools are designed to suggest code completions, generate entire functions, and help speed up our workflows. They leverage machine learning algorithms to understand what we're working on and offer real-time suggestions, making coding more efficient and less error-prone. Next, we have automated testing and debugging systems. These AI tools can quickly identify bugs, generate relevant test cases, and even help optimize our code quality. This not only reduces the time we spend on testing and fixing issues, but also significantly improves the reliability of our software products. Finally, there are AI-enhanced platforms that enable developers to create applications with minimal manual coding. These platforms often feature visual interfaces and intelligent automation, allowing us to focus more on designing and innovating rather than writing every line of code from scratch. All of these advancements tie into the broader theme of making software development smarter, faster, and more accessible through AI. They're empowering developers to be more productive and to focus on solving complex problems rather than getting bogged down in repetitive tasks. Now, let's take a closer look at some essential content creation skills. First, we have AI writing tools. These platforms are incredibly powerful for generating, editing, and enhancing written content. They help us produce high-quality material quickly, all while maintaining our brand voice and adhering to quality standards. It's about leveraging technology to make our content more efficient and consistent. Next is prompt engineering. This is a crucial skill because it involves crafting effective prompts to guide AI systems. By understanding how to communicate clearly and precisely with these tools, we can achieve the desired content outcomes more reliably. Think of it as giving AI the right instructions so it can deliver exactly what we need. Finally, we have multimedia content generation. AI isn't just for text anymore. It can help us create images, videos, and audio content that beautifully complement our written materials. This allows us to develop more engaging and comprehensive marketing campaigns that resonate across different formats and platforms. Overall, mastering these skills ensures we're not just using AI as a novelty, but truly integrating it into our content strategy to produce more compelling, diverse, and high-quality materials. Let's take a closer look at AI implementation strategies. When it comes to applying AI in our organization, it's crucial to have a clear plan. First, we need to identify the right use cases, those that truly align with our business goals and can deliver measurable value. Once we've pinpointed these areas, we should focus on data readiness, ensuring we have high-quality, relevant data to train our AI models effectively. Another key point is choosing the appropriate technology and tools that fit our specific needs. It's not just about adopting the latest trends, but about selecting solutions that integrate well with our existing systems. Additionally, fostering a culture of collaboration between technical teams and business units is vital. This helps bridge the gap between AI capabilities and real-world applications. Finally, continuous monitoring and iterative improvement are essential. AI isn't a one-and-done project. It requires ongoing evaluation to refine models and maximize benefits. Connecting these strategies to our overall theme of digital transformation, successful AI implementation can be a powerful driver for innovation and competitive advantage. Let's talk about workflow integration with iBARE. One of its key strengths is its seamless integration with the tools you're already using daily. This means it enhances your workflows without causing any disruption or requiring you to overhaul your existing processes. Another important feature is customizable automation paths. With iBARE, you can create personalized sequences that automate repetitive tasks, saving you time and helping you stay focused on more strategic activities. This level of customization really allows you to tailor the automation to fit your unique needs. Finally, iBARE is designed to work across multiple platforms. Whether you're on a desktop, tablet, or smartphone, and regardless of the operating system, it functions consistently. This cross-platform compatibility ensures your workflow support is continuous, no matter what devices or environments you're working in. All of these features come together to make iBARE a powerful tool for improving efficiency and maintaining smooth, integrated workflows across your entire tech ecosystem. Let's start with the training requirements for working effectively with iBARE. First, learners need a solid understanding of AI fundamentals. This means getting familiar with key concepts, terminology, and how AI is applied in real-world scenarios. Having this foundational knowledge is crucial because it allows you to grasp how iBARE operates and how it fits into the broader AI landscape. Next, technical skills are essential. Proficiency in prompt engineering, which involves crafting effective input prompts, is vital. Additionally, skills in AI-assisted development and no-code automation will help you unlock iBare's full potential. These skills enable you to create solutions more efficiently and with less coding, making the technology more accessible. Finally, practical application training is key. Hands-on experience with AI tools, working through real problem-solving scenarios, and applying what you learn in real-world situations will build your confidence and competency with iBare systems. This kind of practical training ensures you're not just understanding the concepts, but can also apply them effectively. Altogether, these training elements, foundational knowledge, technical skills, and practical experience, are what will prepare you to maximize the benefits of iBare and similar AI technologies. Now, let's talk about how we measure the effectiveness of iBare. First, we establish key performance indicators, or KPIs. These are measurable metrics that help us evaluate how well iBare is solving problems, how accurate its responses are, and how much time it saves compared to traditional methods. Essentially, these KPIs give us a clear way to track progress and identify areas for improvement. Next, we look at user satisfaction metrics. By tracking user feedback, satisfaction scores, and retention rates, we get a sense of how well iBare is meeting user expectations and providing valuable assistance. Happy users are a strong indicator that we're on the right track. Finally, we conduct ROI analysis. This involves calculating the return on investment by measuring productivity gains, cost savings, and overall efficiency improvements that come from implementing iBare. When we connect these metrics, we get a comprehensive picture of how effective iBare truly is and how it contributes to the broader goals of the organization. Let's take a moment to look ahead and consider the future of human-AI collaboration. As we continue to develop these technologies, one key point is that the collaboration between humans and AI will become increasingly seamless and integrated into our daily lives and work. AI won't just be a tool we use. It will be a partner that complements our skills and enhances our decision-making. Another important aspect is the personalization of AI systems, which means that AI will adapt to our individual needs, preferences, and contexts, making interactions more intuitive and effective. This personalized approach will help us solve complex problems more efficiently and unlock new opportunities for innovation. It's also crucial to recognize the importance of ethical considerations and trust. As AI takes on more responsibilities, establishing transparent and responsible AI practices will be vital for fostering trust and ensuring that these collaborations benefit everyone fairly. Ultimately, the future of human-AI collaboration is about creating a symbiotic relationship where both humans and AI learn from each other, pushing the boundaries of what we can achieve together. This theme ties back to our overall discussion about harnessing AI's potential responsibly and effectively. Let's take a closer look at how work dynamics are evolving in this new era. First, AI-human collaboration models are really transforming the way we work. Hybrid workforces that combine AI capabilities with human expertise are creating more efficient workflows. But what's crucial here is that they still preserve essential human judgment, especially in decision-making processes. This balance ensures we get the best of both worlds, automation and human insight working together. Next, we see the remote work revolution. AI tools are making it easier than ever for distributed teams to collaborate seamlessly. This is really changing the traditional office environment, turning it into something more flexible and location-independent. As a result, productivity is being enhanced because teams can work from anywhere, anytime, with the right tools. Finally, there's the need for skill transformation. As routine tasks become more automated, workers need to develop new skills, particularly AI literacy. Alongside this, critical thinking remains vital. Staying valuable in this changing landscape means continuously learning and adapting to new technologies and ways of working. All these points tie back to our overall theme, adapting to a future where technology reshapes the way we work. Embracing these changes is essential for staying competitive and thriving in this evolving work environment. Let's talk about some important ethical considerations when it comes to AI. First, bias in AI systems is a significant issue. AI can unintentionally reinforce existing societal biases if the training data contains those biases. This can lead to unfair discrimination against certain groups when AI is making decisions or recommendations. It's crucial to be aware of this so we can work towards more equitable systems. Next, privacy concerns are also key. Technologies like iBARE raise questions about how data is collected, stored, and used. Transparency in these processes is essential to ensure users feel confident that their personal information is protected. We need clear policies that prioritize privacy and build trust. Finally, transparency and explainability matter greatly. Users have the right to understand how AI makes decisions, especially when those decisions can impact their lives, work, or opportunities. Making AI decision-making processes more understandable helps foster trust and accountability. Overall, addressing these ethical issues is vital as we continue to develop and deploy AI technologies responsibly. Let's talk about how careers are evolving in response to AI integration. One key aspect is reskilling, developing new competencies that allow us to work effectively alongside AI technologies. The focus here is on honing skills where human strengths, like creativity and emotional intelligence, complement machine capabilities. As AI automates routine tasks, traditional job roles are transforming. This shift opens up opportunities for more strategic, innovative, and impactful work, areas where humans really excel. Another important point is human-AI collaboration skills. Learning how to partner effectively with AI systems, like iBARE, is crucial. It's about leveraging these tools to boost productivity and solve complex problems more efficiently, making us more valuable in our roles. Overall, adapting our skills and roles in this way is essential to thrive in the evolving workplace driven by AI advancements. Let's take a closer look at some practical iBARE applications. Here, I want to highlight how this innovative approach can be applied in real-world scenarios. The key idea is that iBARE isn't just theoretical. It has tangible uses that can really make a difference. For example, in industries like healthcare, it can help improve patient monitoring by providing more accurate and real-time data. In manufacturing, iBARE can optimize processes by analyzing complex data patterns more effectively. The core strength of iBARE lies in its ability to handle complex, dynamic environments, making it highly adaptable. This versatility aligns perfectly with our overall theme of leveraging advanced technology for smarter, more efficient systems. So, these applications demonstrate how iBARE can turn innovative concepts into practical solutions that drive real change across various fields. Let's take a look at some examples of daily workflows where iBARE can really make a difference. Starting with morning productivity, this is all about setting the tone for a successful day. iBARE helps you prioritize emails, so you're not wasting time on less important messages. It also assists with meeting preparation, ensuring you have all the necessary information at your fingertips. Plus, it helps you schedule your daily tasks efficiently, streamlining your morning routine for maximum productivity. Moving on to collaborative project management, this is where teamwork really benefits. iBARE helps facilitate smooth coordination by keeping track of deadlines, suggesting how to allocate resources effectively, and providing real-time updates on project progress. This means everyone stays on the same page, and projects move forward without unnecessary delays. And finally, content creation assistance. Whether you're drafting reports, brainstorming creative ideas, or editing documents, iBARE is there to support you. It can significantly cut down the time you spend on routine writing tasks, freeing you up to focus on the creative or strategic aspects of your work. All these examples show how integrated workflows can boost efficiency across different tasks, tying back to the overall theme of how iBARE empowers your daily work life. let's talk about the problem-solving capabilities of iBARE. First, it has advanced problem recognition. What this means is that it can identify complex issues by analyzing patterns and understanding the context around them. This allows it to go beyond what traditional AI systems can do, offering deeper insights. Next, there's customized solution development. iBARE doesn't just recognize problems, it also creates personalized solutions tailored specifically to each user's needs. It does this through adaptive learning and by recognizing individual preferences, ensuring that solutions are relevant and effective. And finally, it's continuous learning algorithms. What's exciting here is that iBARE keeps getting better over time. It learns from every interaction and outcome, which helps it improve its problem-solving skills and provide even more accurate and helpful recommendations in the future. All of these features together really demonstrate how iBARE's problem-solving capabilities are designed to be smarter, more adaptive, and more personalized, aligning perfectly with our overall goal of delivering innovative and effective solutions. Now, let's look at some of the key customization options available to tailor iBARE to your needs. First, there's the personalization settings. This allows you to adjust iBARE's appearance, voice, and communication style. By doing so, you can create a more personalized AI assistant experience that feels natural and comfortable for you. Next, we have industry-specific knowledge bases. This feature enables you to configure iBARE with specialized databases relevant to your field. The benefit here is that responses will be tailored to your professional context, making the assistance more accurate and relevant. Finally, there's learning preferences. This setting lets you decide how iBARE adapts to your interactions. You can control response depth, the level of technical language used, and how information is presented. This way, the AI aligns better with your preferred communication style. Overall, these customization options are designed to enhance your experience, making iBARE not just a tool, but a truly personalized assistant that works seamlessly within your specific environment and preferences. Thanks. I really appreciate everyone's attention and engagement throughout this presentation. I hope you found the information helpful and inspiring. Remember, the key takeaways are about understanding the core concepts we discussed and applying them in your own contexts. It's been great sharing these insights with you, and I encourage you to take what you've learned here and put it into action. Thank you again for your time and participation.